Fitment, compatible with HL-OH-HA082D Dr. Coupe. Bulb model, 9005 high, H11 low beam. Package included, 1 pair of headlights, driver and passenger side, great for show use or to replace old and worn headlights. Quality construction. Made of high-quality ABS plastic, polycarbonate lens for exceptional impact resistance and long-lasting durability. Plug-and-play operation. Direct bolt-on OE fitment or replacement for the stock unit. Requires no modification or drilling. A headlight, headlamp, is a lamp attached to the front of a vehicle to light the road ahead. Headlight performance has steadily improved throughout the automobile age, spurred by the great disparity between daytime and nighttime traffic fatalities. Headlights are one of the most important components of your vehicle. They allow you to see the road in front of you clearly during the night and in any bad weather that may arise. Our headlights upgrade the face of your vehicle with clear style and extreme range. Fit HL-OH-HA082D Dr. Coupe. Top reviews from the United States. Easy install, but takes some time. Perfect fit and looks nice. Installing was easy, but took some time. I'd recommend buying a box of automotive clips. Many of mine were damaged or broke when I removed them. Of course I expected as much. It's a 2008 model.